Are you happy with the way ingredients are tracked during your food production? Are you concerned that you're not able to keep up with the growing number of items and lots that may be putting your SQF certification in peril? In this video, I'd like to show you how we help the Walmart Food Supplier execute FIFO-based LOT tracking to better comply with FSMA. For each production run, the customer's warehouse personnel were often confused about which items to pick, which lot number to pick, and where that item lot is located in their warehouse. Production managers had no way of checking if the warehouse staff accidentally picked the wrong item or lot number. With PowerCentral's ERP solution fully integrated with mobile barcode apps, the item picks are auto-generated for each day's production run. Each material handler is guided to the exact bin location to find the required item and the lot number, and any pick exceptions are logged for analysis to better comply with SQF certification process. Food business owners ourselves, we created PowerCentral as a one-stop management solution for small and mid-sized food and beverage companies. Built using trusted Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Azure Cloud Platform, PowerCentral automates and streamlines all your business processes to help manage your business.